Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever wanted to cook a whole fish but felt a bit intimidated? Well, cooking whole tilapia is actually simpler than you think and incredibly rewarding. This lean, flaky fish is packed with protein and omega-3 fatty acids, making it a healthy choice that cooks up quickly. In just a few easy steps, you can achieve restaurant-quality results right here in your own kitchen, impressing everyone with your culinary skills and a beautiful, flavorful meal. Before you add any seasonings, properly cleaning and scoring your fish is absolutely essential for both even cooking and maximum flavor absorption. First, use the back of a spoon or a fish scaler to remove all the scales, then rinse the fish thoroughly under cold water, both inside and out. Finally, make 3 or 4 diagonal cuts about 1/4 inch deep on each side of the fish, being careful not to cut all the way through to the bone. This helps heat penetrate and flavors soak in beautifully. Now for the fun part, seasoning. Simple, fresh ingredients will truly enhance tilapia's natural, mild taste without ever overpowering it. Generously rub the fish inside and out with sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder. For an aromatic boost, stuff the cavity with thick lemon slices, a few sprigs of fresh herbs like dill or parsley, and some thinly sliced onions. These simple additions infuse incredible flavor as the fish cooks, making every bite delicious. Pan frying is an excellent method for whole tilapia, creating that deliciously crispy skin everyone loves, alongside perfectly cooked, tender flesh. Heat 2 generous tablespoons of cooking oil, like vegetable or canola, in a large skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Carefully place the fish in the hot oil and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes per side, depending on its size. You'll know it's ready when the skin is golden brown and crispy, and the flesh easily flakes with a fork. Once your beautiful whole tilapia is cooked to perfection, transfer it carefully to a serving platter. It's best enjoyed immediately to savor its freshest flavor and tender, flaky texture. Garnish with a few extra lemon wedges for a bright, citrusy squeeze and a sprinkle of chopped fresh cilantro or parsley for color and aroma. Pair your magnificent fish with simple, complementary sides like steamed green beans, roasted asparagus, or fluffy white rice. Now, sit back, relax, and savor your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.